So yeah, we've started a garden right here. Just gonna be like a 12 by 10 thing, not very big. Topsoil doesn't go down very far, like maybe 6 inches. So all I'm doing is I'm picking up the dirt and putting it right back down. So it kind of looks stupid anyway. But yeah, I'm gonna continue. We've got seeds to plant. It's past time to be planting them. It's just a lot of work. You can see by all the trees in here, there's roots everywhere. So I gotta dig and cut. Yep. And it's gonna take a while. But one nice thing is there's a good breeze going through here right now, so it's keeping the bugs away, sort of. It's really, really helpful.
Exactly what stuff I was looking at.
And we're done. We planted some carrots, lettuce, green beans, turnip, squash, onions. I forget it all. But we didn't do like we didn't do a whole row of carrots. I think we did some carrots and then something else, and then so it's a pretty small garden. It's not very big, but we got a lot in here. So we'll see how it goes. We put our barriers up. They're more visual than anything. The dogs could still get in here, but we're hoping to be able to tell them don't go in there, and they'll learn. Ha. Anyway, that's it. The start of our garden. Just a short video, but there you go. Take care, everybody.